Will AI take my job?
According to AI, this is what the vlogger of the future will look like.
Wow, that was kind of scary. You've probably already seen AI art. In fact, it's won competitions. Hang on a sec. Rick, you're almost ready. It's actually date night. Taking Ricky out somewhere fancy. But the keywords, like you're seeing below here, are important. We'll be using them later. The art that artificial intelligence is actually making...
Oh, I just remembered art actually means artificial.
Wait, what?
Yeah, wow. Psh.
Yeah, mind blown. Because it's artificial intelligence making artificial, well, scenes, I suppose.
It's meant to be.
But it is so much bigger than that. It is going to change the world. Let's go. Oh, wow. Doesn't she look amazing?
Come on, let's go.
Anyway, blog posts are another thing at risk at the moment. We actually wrote, well, Ricky wrote a few keywords and made a whole blog on our website. I'll put the link below.
And all the art.
It generated all the art and all the words.
All by artificial intelligence.
All by artificial intelligence. All Ricky wrote was something about beaches and Mauritius. It's sort of like when they invented the camera and all those artists had to change. It's sort of happening like that. Hop in, Rick.
Yeah, adapt or die.
It's a bit like that guy that did those colored square things.
Yeah, because a camera can't do abstract, so humans decided we can do abstract. So you got Mondrian and Pollock and the likes of all those wonderful abstract artists being better than a camera.
Yeah, but now the AI is being the camera and the abstract artist. Well,
So how can we be better? There's got to be a way that we can beat artificial intelligence, because now it's writing scripts, it's doing videos, it's doing absolutely everything, and it's open source.
yes, which means it's literally like the singularity is coming.
Yes, remember this time. This is when it changes. The genie's been let out.
It's been let out and it's been made free. Open source
free.
means everyone can use it.
And everyone is using it, and they're doing it they're just doing amazing things with it. We were just chatting to Tom last night, and he's making AI that builds a whole website for you just with one click. It's like, what?
How do web developers now compete with a computer that does it in one click and is half the price? Maybe not as good yet.
Yeah, but it's coming.
But it's coming.
Exciting times.
Well, we have always been able to stay one step ahead of technology. Sort of. It's not just about artificial intelligence creating art or script. They're also starting to create videos.
Oh, they are.
Have a look at this. I mean,
It's amazing. I mean, it needs a bit of work. It's kind of generally a little bit tricky. But it's so early, it's just the beginning.
it really is just the start, and it's happening rapidly because
Rapidly.
a month ago it couldn't do this.
Open source. Everybody in the world's working on it.
Wow.
Okay, so this that you're watching, this is actually AI-generated art, and then using stable diffusion, it's melding them together. It's kind of cool, but there's another way.
What you can do is get artificial intelligence to actually write you a script,
Or you can write your own script, or if you already got a script, or like a music video.
and then put it into the program, and it makes it into a video. And that's what we did. You might have been noticing the keywords. That's it. That's our script from those keywords.
Wait for the end.
Wait for the end. We're blown away.
Sidetrack, squirrel. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful wooden boats. You gotta sometimes stop and smell the boats.
Oh man, what an awesome boat. It really is cool. It's like a wooden old pirate ship type thing. It looks like they're fixing it up at the moment. Can machine learning, the AI, the artificial intelligence, move beyond its programming?
Yeah, would it ever be able to write a comedy? Know that something's scary?
Know that something's funny, actually come up with the idea
Will it always
itself?
just be...
Will it always require us?
Thank you, you got the mango.
Okay, it's not all about generating pictures. I actually got AI to write a love poem
Oh, read.
for my Ricky. I love you like the sun loves the beach. I love you every morning, even when the rain is pouring. You're what I need, and I love you.
That's amazing. That was AI wrote that?
AI wrote that, artificial intelligence wrote that. And more than that, I took that poem and made some flowers. But first it made this picture, and then it turned it into these flowers. So here are your flowers, Rick.
Oh, wow, they're beautiful.
I am the vlogger of the future.
No, I'm the vlogger of the future.
What you got there, Rick?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai at the beach. Oh, you have to get some sun on it. Who'd have come up with this idea?
Don't know.
Oh, Pad Thai.
So anyway, while you're eating that pad thai, and there's a fisherman behind you and everything completing the scene, it's wonderful. I mean, I don't think artificial intelligence could quite get that right.
They're not gonna...
Oh, and there goes a pigeon randomly as well. Awesome.
So AI is probably not going to be able to generate this scene. But what they do is they take the keywords and they create a video from other videos that are out there.
Yeah, so like open source videos.
Open source videos, they bang them together.
Find your words and they find the video for you in an instant. And this is what we did.
We did with Ben and Carol. This is their video from a title, Date Night.
Date night at the beach.
Date Night at the beach.
And it made all of this.
And it made all of this. Watch them.
And
but
remember our keywords? Because we've actually been following
we've been doing what they've been doing.
script. How cool is that? Full circle and all that. But before we go to Ben and Carol, we have to say, there's programs out there that are actually, they're starting to generate it themselves.
They're not just picking a video, they're actually creating one. They are genuinely making up an entire new world.
They are.
Like this. I mean, look at this. It's like a garden scene, just bang, into existence.
Totally artificial intelligence driven.
Wow.
Now if we could just find something that could have a nice bright sea behind you and not darken you, that would be great.
Never gonna happen.
Anyway, roll Ben and Carol.
Hi. I am Ben and this is my house. It is date night and Carol is getting ready. Wow. She looks amazing. Let's get into the car. While we are driving, let me tell you something interesting. Oh. Here is the beach. It wasn't as far as I thought. Wow. What is that? That looks like a pirate ship. Carol is getting hungry. She is already sitting at the table. Look at these lovely cocktails. Pad Thai at the beach. Yum yum. Sunset time lapse at the beach. Lovely day. Now we are back home. Hello Ricky and Brian.
Hi guys. Great job, by the way.
Yeah, getting there.
But this is just the beginning. Because coming is speech. Coming is speech to because coming is speech to video, where you say the words and it happens. I think our jobs are probably safe for at least another 3 months.